Hi my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today again is your girl Rita DIY for hair growth. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use garlic, red onion and ginger that are frozen in my freezer for the other video that I did. So I'm using 2 onion already cut, 1 onion already, and I'm using 7 garlic, and this is my frozen ginger. So let's get started, and let me show you guys how I do this for my hair. I'm using this to filter it, and I'm gonna filter it again. So I did the filter 3 times because I don't want to have any pom-pom inside. You don't want to have all that blend yucky on your hair, so only the juice you need. So make sure you get only the juice out. So this is the other filter I'm doing, and I'm gonna continue. That's the second one, and I'm gonna do the third one, and I'm gonna get all the juice out because you only need the juice. That's all you need. So all done, guys. This is my essential oils. I'm using peppermint and ginger, and this is my onion juice. So I'm gonna put my onion juice some in the glass, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer, and you can keep it for 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna use the bottle one for my hair. So I'm gonna put essential oil. This is my ginger essential. You can put any essential oil you like of your choice. You can put them in just to help to take the heavy smell out. So I'm just putting them in 5 drops each. Now mix it so it mix well. Mix well, mix. Mix. And then you're gonna cover it, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. So I put it aside. Now I'm doing what I'm gonna use for my hair in this video today. So I'm putting it in my bottle and I'm adding my essential oils on it, and then I'm gonna apply it on my hair to show you guys how to apply it after you have braid your hair with a black thread. I'm ready. I'm putting it in the fridge, sorry guys, fridge, and I'm gonna leave it for a week. But anytime it's finished, I'm gonna take it from the freeze, and then I'm gonna put it in my bottle and I'm gonna use it on my hair. So this is my hair I've braid. I think I have the video there. I already done the video of how I braid my African black thread hair, so you can check it out as well. So this is day 2 of when I plait my black African thread. So this is day 2 of my black African thread braid, and now you can see I'm using it under my scalp. Don't forget your front edges. I'm using it on my hair. I'm taking my time. Sorry, I need to speed it up because it takes a long time. So as I was saying, massage your front hair, don't forget. So I'm not putting it in my hair, I'm putting it under my scalp, and then I'm doing it all over my back as well. Please don't forget to use black or colorful thing on your neck. Don't use your white. I'm gonna remind you again, don't use white. I'm using brown towel on my neck, so all the juice, if it's leaking, it goes in, but it doesn't affect my white clothes or any other clothes I'm wearing. So don't forget to use any color that it will not damage when the onion juice touched. So guys, all my hair is done. I'm finished. I've finished putting everything under my scar, and it left a little bit. So I'm so happy guys, I'm so happy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. This is what is left. Onion juice for you guys, man. Onion juice, I love you, onion juice. I love onion juice so much because of what I've seen and the benefit that is given into my hair. So after that guys, after that, please cover your hair with plastic for 30 minutes. If you know you can't handle the smell, you can cover it for 30 minutes and then you can wash it off with your shampoo and conditioner of your choice. But as for me, I'm covering it for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna take the plastic off and I'm gonna cover it with my scarf, and then I'm gonna go to bed for the next day. So I'm not washing it guys, I'm leaving it for the next day. So that's all for you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please, if you haven't tried, please try it and put your comments down. May God bless you. I'll see you again on my next video. Yes. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel.